Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to mute someone on Discord. Maybe you find yourself in a situation where you need to silence someone temporarily, or perhaps you just want to have some peace on the platform. So today I'm going to show you how to mute someone on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, go to the Direct Messages section by tapping on this messaging icon at the top left corner. Here, you will see all the conversations that you have made with your friends. Now, select the user that you want to mute. For example, I want to mute my best friend. So simply, long press on his username, and after that, a menu will pop up below. In this menu, you can now see this mute conversation option. Since you wanted to mute this user, simply tap on this option. A new window will appear where you can choose the duration of how long you will mute this user. Simply tap on the duration that you want. For example, I will choose for 8 hours. After that, you now have successfully muted this user. You will no longer receive notifications from that user until the mute is lifted. There you go. If you wanted to know how to meet someone on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to meet someone on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.